Hello and welcome back. Today we're gonna learn how to design these kind of pictures. So let's open Canva. I've already uploaded a picture here. You can use any from Google or from the default photos. Make the picture bigger here. And let's duplicate this picture and remove the background. We need only this snake, like this one. Put the pictures in the same position, and we should write the text, the snake test, and letter by letter. Let's add the first letter, make it bigger, let's change the font to zoom rough bold, and change the color to white or to gray, like this one. Duplicate, duplicate, and put them in different positions, like this one. And from the layers, show the position layers, change the layers to the different letters to different positions. I think this is normal, and let's add the shadow to the all writings. We can use this shadow, or you can search here for shadows and choose any of you want. Make it smaller. Positions. Here, duplicate, it here, duplicate, make them bigger to look more realistic. Duplicate, also duplicate, it here. This is the result. I hope you like it. Follow for more tips and tricks in Canva.